The Philippine e-Journals is an online collection of academic publications of different higher education institutions and professional organizations. It brings Filipino scholarly e-journals to the global research community. It is a collection of Filipino academic journals made available through a single web-based platform. Its sophisticated database allows users to easily locate abstracts, full journal articles, and links to related research materials. Now, let me show you how to access Philippine e-journals. Go to issuelibraryph.com, click the Resources tab, and look for online resources. At the middle of the page, you will see the Philippine e-journals logo. Click on it and you will be redirected to its site. Log in your username and password, then press enter. Catch a glimpse of the newly issued journals by scrolling down. You may also type in your query by title, author, or topic on the search box. Another feature is it provides title index to the journals which are arranged alphabetically. Let's try to click Manila. You will see the details of this journal. Down below, the list of its articles is shown. Now, let's hit on the article, The Fish Corals of the Province of Manila. It gives us the option to download or read online its full text. To cite your reference, click on the citation generator under the Tools tab. Select a format depending on your preference, then hit Generate. For your login and password, feel free to message us.